Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 24th of October 2014 market review. The trade for today is called Billiton. Code is BRL and last traded price was R292.58. The action is to be long, so the objective is to buy low and sell high. Entry level will be R293.45 on the dotted blue line. Let's go to the green line or the target of R308.11. Stop loss to be used, and the red line is R286.12. Open trades at this moment is called FirstRand, CFR and Mondi. Looking at the top 40 index, this is the top 40 shares from the JSE. The blue line is the index movement. Currently trading above the dotted blue grey 5-day moving average as well as the solid 20-day moving average as well. Let's go and look at the Dow Jones Industrials after American markets. They've closed last night on Thursday evening 216 points positive, and they're currently trading at 16,677 points. That is just above this level here. As you can take note, there's a lot of movements and volatility, and as we speak, the Dow futures are showing about a 11-point negative opening for late afternoon, and the European markets are 20 points down, and the South African top 40 index could open about 168 points negative due to a Ebola outbreak of a doctor in New York. So the market is very, very vulnerable at this moment for any news. Looking at the Bollinger Bands on this index, still didn't break this green line as yet. So the big question will be, are you still in a downward pattern? Did try to recover, could it come back? That's the big question. So we need to see if it can break this middle Bollinger Band for a better retrieve up, and that's a positive sign that the markets could recover. That level could be plus minus on this level here of 16,700 points. Take note, 16,700 points. J200, that's the top 40 index. Also struggling to break this middle Bollinger Band level. Did recover the same as the Dow Jones from this previous lows. That high to be broken to confirm is about 43,400 points. Currently trading at 42,921 points. So to wait out for the next day or two, Friday, Monday, see if these levels are going to be broken or tested is actually very good advice. Looking at some shares, Shoprite, as expected, broke the middle Bollinger Band, testing the previous highs here. Currently trading at 143.80. Need to see if this 145 can be broken before any action could happen. So the market is on very important levels, on highs to be tested. Mr. Price broke up yesterday, especially it went up about 8 Rand for the day. After it went up 11 days, 2 days ago, come about down 4 Rand and then 8 Rand up again, testing previous highs. Nice breakup movement that happened there. Looking at Woolies. Now Woolies is currently breaking this sideways pattern upwards, testing this previous highs here, trading on 72.42. Next expectation high is close to the 74 Rand and 23 cents. You need to take note that your rand and dollars are very important to follow at this moment, and that is sitting at 10 Rand and 96 cents as we speak. Let's go forward and let's go look at your banking sectors, and you will see basically still struggling to break to 160 on Barclays Bank, currently trading at 159 in this kind of pattern here. Standard Bank started to break this middle Bollinger Band up, but level needed to be broken is close to the 131.66 to confirm this is really a breakup happening. but still in a sideways pattern. Let's go to your telecommunication. MTN results came out yesterday. High, 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 low, low, low. So basically, this is the two levels that you need to track. A lot of volatility in the share at this moment. Came down a lot yesterday, almost 12, 13 rand. Let's look at it. Yeah, about 9.25 was the close on it. So there's a lot of volatility in the sideways movement. Low, so 233, high 243. That's a nice 10 rand movement. Vodacom started to break up, but testing this levels here. We spoke about the level of 150, currently very low at 128.75. Let's go to Imperial. Imperial is also in a sideways pattern here. Broke up, now in a sideways pattern. Please take note, keep a close eye on this market's volatility at this moment. Earnings results are not so bad. About 117 companies brought out earnings so far on the S&P 500. And so far, 63% of them hit targets. So the markets will look at that. That could cause further volatility on the markets in the short term. Enjoy your trading.